there's one name that I didn't get to bring up, where I think this came later on in your career that you worked with him, Vybz Kartel.
Oh,
How did that come around?
Cartel. Well, he was the hot man at the time. Well, him hot now, but yeah, you know what I mean. So them time, I think from the Fear Factor with him, that was the first time I worked with him, and then when we did the Concubine with him, that was the second time. And then you mentioned him, funnily you mentioned that, I don't know if you link it back to the Genius I Love, but I remixed the Cartel on that same radio just mentioned. So yeah. We just get a number for him and call him, and him come and voice. And I mean, one thing I rate with Cartel though is that Cartel, him is just a brilliant lyricist. Put everything else aside, him is just a brilliant friggin' lyricist. Because him voice the first song on Fear Factor. Okay, it was an alright song, but that never mash up made so much than when him do the one that I remix, which is the When Get a Youth Saga Rich. Because he came to the studio, once I played the rhythm, and him sit down with him book and him pencil. And within half an hour, him come up with that argument there, and that is what mashed me up. Cause him could have head tap any girl tune or whatever, but the man sit down and within half an hour come up with a song like that. When Get a Youth Saga Rich, when Friend I Go Stop Switch, when Weed I Go Legal. When just how him construct that song in such a short space of time for fit it on the rhythm that too, I was like, yo, that man is beyond lyrical, and it's not no simple syllables, nor rhymes, nor argument him I use. Him very clever with him words, and that I want him in love with Cartel from then till now. Him not change that at all, So them two, and the other thing I rate with him too is, even though I never really released that song there, when he did Why and Concubine with him, him they love the rhythm so much. Him said, "Shaz, may I get a second song? Record this," and him just voice one another song same time.
That's wild.
Yep.
That's wild. Life of a producer or A&R management, just somebody that has such a big legacy. It's really great to sit down and talk to you, especially see it from your point of view. You understand? We know how we see it from our point, but I want to see it from your point.
Yeah.
You understand? This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.